As the sun begins to set, they cuddle in their cozy nest. Goodnight songs float through the air, little birds without a care.